Hello, so today I will show you how to using AutoSync application to import a file into Recon hosted. So let me first try to set up the connection to my accounting. I already have one, but I can always reconnect. Once I can connect to my Recon hosted, you can see another video on how to set up the connection, set up username and password in order to connect to your file. And here I can go to preferences. In this scenario, I want to import text files into Recon as sale receipt. You can set a sale receipt template from Recon, or you can leave it empty, so you can use the default one that you have. All these for the simplicity, I just leave it blank. This will be like to allow you to choose the reference number. It's auto generated by Recon or using whatever you have from the text file, and tax included, and this will be the default tax for this entity. Customer assignment. So when you have to add a new customer, you can choose to add as this format, or using company name, or just using generate customer if not found, or throw an error. So in this case, I just leave the first one, and you can match customer from your text file and Recon following by name, company, email, phone, or any fields that match. For item, you have an option to throw an error, allow to map the item from your file with the one in Recon. For now, I just leave it throw an error. Yep. And now I need to go in here and set up a import source. So I have plenty of shopping cart or other system, but for this example, we'll choose manual file import. So just name it so you can know what it is. And after created done, I can go to settings and I can upload a CSV as a template. So it will be this one. We will show up all the fields from Recon and the fields from CSV file that I can map. So reference number, I would like to go with use the invoice number. Customer name will be customer. If I want to assign billing and shipping address, I can put in here as well. Transaction date. So notice these are required fields, so you have to map with one. Yeah. So date. I don't need this or this. I can use a custom value, so it's always a fixed value. This is a test, so any order import from this file always have the memo as this, or you can always have a field from the CSV. I want it to be email always take, to be print non-tick. This optional field, so I can skip. Item name will be this one. Description, I got one. Quantity. So here, like, it depends on your file. If your price here is inclusive, then you choose inclusive, otherwise exclusive. So I choose as inclusive for now. We can always change it if it's come up wrong. You don't need the total amount because you have the price and the quantity. So if your files don't have the price but have the quantity, then you can set the amount, total amount that you have. So we only need two of these three. Item tax code, if you have one, you can use it, otherwise it will be hard for the application to know. Or you can choose based on tax rate and so on. All these optional also. And then for the date that you map for this field, what is the format? So we choose this. actually because this file has this day, month, year, so I can choose this one, update it. Now I'm ready to go. I go back to home, select the file, open it, and you can see that my example have two transitions. You can select any of them or all of them and hit upload. So for now I'm going to upload the first one. I know it throw an error because this file had items that I don't have in my reckon. So I'm going ahead to upload one. While waiting, I'm logging into my reckon so we can see. So one thing that I want to note is, in order for our application to connect to Reckon host, it is a requirement anyway. You have to open your files multi-user mode, and yeah, if you watch the other video, you know that we need to have a separate user in the QBW file for the integration application to use. In this case, the integrator here. Okay, so you can see that there's no sale receipt in here at the moment. Let me go back here. Okay, so it failed as expected because this item we don't have this item in our reckon. So what we can do in this case, you can either go back to your reckon, add your items in here, or you can go to my application here, go back to accounting, preferences, items, and choose a different option. So you can use generic item or allow to map. So in this case, I'll use this one, update, and then I can go back here, choose the file again, and open. I'm going to import the first one. So the application will try to compare the list of items, okay, and it show up this form saying you need to map these items with whatever you have in your reckon. You can search your item name by typing in here, or you can just go and select the correct items that you want to map. I just choose a random one for this case, update, and you will continue on to upload the transaction. Okay, so it's imported. We go here. So you can see that there's one transaction in here for sale receipt, and you can see the memo here. Alright, so that go in. So the customer will be automatically created if not found in reckon. So what if let me just go back here and try to upload the same file. What if I want accidentally import the same file again? So notice this is the reference number that will be used in reckon, and I upload two of them. The second one will have some new items, I think, that we need to map. Yep, so this one I just map to the test one. You continue and import the second one. What about the first one? It say imported here, but you can see it doesn't have a tick here. I should have a clearer message, but what I'm trying to say is you will not add a new duplicate transaction if the invoice number or the receipt number is already there. that's the second one. 4635, yep, I got it right. So this one for Zondo. Yeah, so that's how it works. If you want to have more customization on your import, you can go back to accounting, preferences, and in here you can notice that this one, the deposit to account will be the default account, but you can always put in a different deposit to account, and yeah, all the other fields as well. Fully customization. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you.